God. Holy shit. I hope this stops.
Tornado winds did damage in Palm Beach Gardens Saturday afternoon, according to forecasters for the National Weather Service. At 5:13 p.m., the National Weather Service tweeted a tornado warning for North Palm Beach to Juno Beach. Minutes later, between 5:15 p.m. and 5:30 p.m., a tornado made landfall in the Palm Beach Gardens area, the service said, announcing confirmation at 7:45 p.m. Videos posted to social media captured a dark funnel moving near US 1 and PGA Boulevard. Another video clip captures one car on top of another in a parking lot, as residents realize what has just happened and assess the damage to their vehicles. The strong winds also smashed windows, snapped tree branches, knocked down lamp posts, and tossed trash cans aside. Late Saturday, Florida Power and Light reported that at least 7,000 customers in Palm Beach County were out of power. No injuries were reported. NWS officials said they were surveying the damage along the tornado's path and would get more details in the coming hours.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. That whole fucking tree is ripped.